Hey everyone, Lydia again with Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm pumped to share my review of the SUNSEEKER L22 Plus robotic lawn mower. If you're done with pushing a mower and want a smarter way to keep your lawn pristine, this could be your new best friend. Stick around as we break it down and see if it's worth your money. Let's start with the features. The SUNSEEKER L22 Plus is built for just over half an acre, or about 26,000 square feet. You control it through an app, setting mowing schedules and adjusting cutting heights right from your phone. It uses advanced mapping technology with ultrasonic sensors to dodge obstacles like toys or pets, but a boundary wire is needed for L22 and L22 Plus. It's got a rain sensor, so it returns to its charging dock when it gets wet. And at just 52 decibels, it's super quiet, perfect for nighttime mowing without bugging the neighbors. Plus, its IPX5 waterproof rating makes cleaning it as simple as a quick rinse. Now, the pros. The whisper quiet operation is a standout. You'll barely notice it's running. It delivers even cuts with its floating blade system, keeping your lawn looking sharp. The app is easy to use, and the auto recharge feature means it's low maintenance. At just over 23 pounds, it's a breeze to move around. For small to medium yards, this mower saves you serious time and effort, but there are some cons. The initial setup might take a bit, especially getting the virtual boundaries just right in the app. If your yard has lots of trees or uneven terrain, it could get stuck now and then. Some users also mention the app can be glitchy, like occasional Wi-Fi drops or missing advanced features like multi-zone mapping. For super complex yards, you might want a higher-end model. So, do I recommend the SUNSEEKER L22 Plus? Absolutely. If you've got a small to medium lawn and want to ditch the manual mowing grind, the time savings, quiet performance, and precision cutting make it a great pick. It's not perfect, but it's a solid value for the price. If you're ready to check it out, click the link in the description to grab the SUNSEEKER L22 Plus on Amazon. You'll get the best pricing and any special promos we've got at Rick's Review Hub. Using that link supports the channel, so thanks a ton. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.